CSI Diocese of Vellore Department of Ecological Concerns presents the video clipping on the green initiatives taken by this department. Vision and mission of Department of Ecological Concerns of Vellore Diocese. Vellore Diocese always stands in front line in protecting the integrity of the creation. Thus, many activities regarding green projects are being initiated and activated from time to time in Vellore Diocese from the church level to the diocesan level. Eco activities at church level. Under the leadership of Reverend Paul Robert Kennedy, the director of the Department of Ecological Concerns of Vellore Diocese, new initiative for Green Garden was taken at CSI St. John's Church, Walajapet in its Christian cemetery. It has been found that there was a borewell which was left behind without use for many years because of the theft activities which were taking place then in its surrounding areas. But now this place has been surrounded by residential area and thus there is less chance for theft activities. So the initiative was taken, as a result of which the borewell has been renovated with submersible motor pump, new EB connection was given, sapling planting was done, and efforts were taken to maintain cleanliness. God has blessed our efforts. This place has now become more greenish. We have access to water at any time. New Green Lawn Initiative. Now, New Green Lawn has been created recently in the church premises. The front portion of our church has now become so green and beautiful. New Green Garden Initiative. Steps were being taken to create a greener garden around the church campus. This garden now has grape plants and apple plants. Now, the grape plants have started yielding grapes. A special word of appreciation goes to the officers of CSI St. John's Church, Walajapet, Mr. J. Jagan Prabha, the Secretary, Mr. Abraham Anbalagan, the Treasurer, the Pastorate Committee members, and the congregation members of CSI St. John's Church for their commitment towards green initiatives at the church level. Initiative was taken by the Youth Board of CSI Vellore Diocese on the occasion of World Environmental Day. World Environmental Day celebration was organized by the Youth Board. Our beloved Bishop, the Right Reverend H. Shama Nityanandam, has graced the occasion, and this was led under the leadership of Reverend Sam Raj, the chairperson, and Reverend Noel Christopher, the director of the Youth Board of Vellore Diocese. A word of appreciation goes to the clergies and the youth members who have actively participated with vigor even at the time of lockdown. Eco Sunday worship service was held on June 7, 2020. A special appreciation goes to Reverend D. Arun Kumar, Madhavaram Pastorate, Reverend Suresh, Anantapuram Pastorate, Reverend Vijay Kumar, Chittur Town Church, and Reverend Prem Kumar, Bangarupalayam Pastorate, who have volunteered themselves in organizing the special service outside the church walls in a garden. This activity was considered to be a great effort in bringing people with consciousness of biodiversity preservation in the atmosphere of decaying world, where the greedy people are exploiting the nature for their selfish motives.
ఇటువంటి కోవిడ్-19 లాంటి వైరస్ ద్వారా దేవుడు మనకు
హెచ్చరిస్తాము. వరల్డ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ డే సందర్భంగా మనకి ఇవ్వబడినటువంటి
అప్పుడే మనం దేవుని గృహ నిర్వాహకులమై ఆయన సృష్టిని సంరక్షించే
The Department of Ecological Concerns of Vellore Diocese has offered motivation through online Seed of Truth about the preservation of biodiversity which God has created for subsistence of this earth was sown in the minds and hearts of the servants of God in Vellore Diocese through online. A special service was conducted and the video of it along with a message translated in our vernacular languages was sent to the clergies of the diocese.
நமது சுற்றுப்புற சூழல் ஞாயிறாக நாம் அனுசரிக்கின்றோம். மக்களினங்களே, அனைவரும் இதை கேளுங்கள். மண்ணுலகில் வாழ்வோரே, யாவரும் செவிகொடுங்கள். நம் ஆண்டவர் மாண்புமிகு இறைவன், பூவுலகின் ஆழ்பகுதிகள் அவர் தம் கையில் உள்ளன. கடலும் அவருடையதே, அவரே அதை படைத்தார். உலர்ந்த தரையும் அவருடைய கைகளே உருவாக்கின. வாருங்கள், தாழ்பணிந்து அவரை தொழுவோம்.
The Department of Ecological Concerns of Vellore Diocese always strives its best in promoting green projects. As the saying goes, gratitude is the best attitude. First and foremost, all honor, glory and praise be ascribed to the Triune God, who is the sustainer of everything on the planet and beyond. Thanking God for guiding this department thus far. May God continue to protect and guide us to be His co-creators in the preservation of biodiversity. May we all be the responsible stewards of God's creation. We praise God for all the motivation we have received from the CSI Synod Department of Ecological Concerns, especially from its director, Professor Dr. Matthew Koshi Punakad. And also, we want to acknowledge the work of the Department of Ecological Concerns, CSI Synod, and we extend our heartfelt thanks to our moderator Thirumeni and the officers of CSI Synod. At this juncture, we need to acknowledge the support and service being rendered by the people in making the Department of Ecological Concerns of Vellore Diocese a successful one. Backbones of the Department of Ecological Concerns of Vellore Diocese. We are indebted to our beloved Bishop, the Right Reverend H. Sharma Nityanandam, and all the diocesan officers for their continuous support. A special thanks to Reverend C. Manimaran, the chairperson of the Department of Ecological Concerns of Vellore Diocese, the clergy of our diocese, and the people of God at large, both from home diocese and other dioceses. This video presentation was submitted by Reverend Paul Robert Kennedy, the Director of the Ecological Concerns Department of Vellore Diocese, on the request of the Department of Ecological Concerns of CSI Synod for documentation. Thank you for the opportunity.